Hey everyone, in today's video we will create this super simple 3D box animation in After Effects. It's super simple, super clean, but really dope. Your client gonna love it. So let's start. So let's first add a background, and I'm not going in this video I'm not going to show you any animation or any camera movement. I will just show you how to how you can just make it the 3D box. You guys are editors, you can animate it. If you can't, bro, I just don't know what you are doing with your life if you can't just animate by yourself. But I personally believe you all can animate, so yeah, I'm not going to tell you animation. You can see how I created the background and gradient. So this is what I created, and then I added grid. So let's add it and make it something like this, something not too big, not too small boxes, something like this. And for the border I will say like 2 will work, and then just make it screen. Where is it? Okay, something like, I think this will work. And then for the opacity just make it 40%. Now the real game starts. So first click on here rectangle tool and make a shape something like this. Okay, let's give it a dark color so it does not match with the background. Okay, now make it 3D. Okay, now make I guess 2 copies. Okay, no, I think just make 1 copy and rotate it from x-axis to make it around 90. You can make minus 90 or you can make like plus 90, it does not matter. Now click on this tool, this one. It says orbit around cursor, and make sure you are hitting on the middle, because if you hit here it will move something like this. Okay, but it's good. I think it was not work, it's good. And now let's change the color of the second layer so it's does not match. And make sure your snapping is always on whenever you are working. So now just click and by with this just do this, and it's already snapped. Look, it's snapped in the whatever you say, like in the bottom. Look, it's snapped automatically. And now while holding this layer, do this. So wait, it's not snapping here, so let's maybe do something like this and then try to snap it. Okay, it's snapped. So it's super easy, just snap it. Okay, just make a copy of this red one, and while holding this Z axis, do it something like this so it snap automatically. You can see like how fast it's going up. Look, it just snapped. And for the back one, just make a copy of the blue one, put it on top of every copy, and do this with the Z axis, and it will, I think it will become okay. No, it's showing some problems, so let's do something. You can like use your own mind or everything. For example, if you can look closely, there's whiteness like here you can see it. Okay, so what we will do is we will just do this. Okay, so here you can see it's saying 1, so it means it snapped properly. So let's see it. Okay, I think to be honest, I think it's looking good. So let's try to make it a little bit. Okay, this is perfect. Look, you can't see any white border or anything. Okay, so let's do it. And for the active camera, make it to default camera setting. Okay, not this, reset default camera, so you can see. Now if you want to animate this, as this is 4 axis, so if you want to animate it, add a null object, select all of them, and make sure your null is 3D and parent them to null. Okay, now again select this and do this so you can see the middle. Now what I want you to do is zoom in, and while selecting null, click on this to reposition the cursor, reposition the anchor point, and just position the anchor point in the middle. Like, I think this one is good. Let's see, I don't know, I think we have to make it kind of, let's see. Okay, this is good. Okay, so the anchor is in the middle. So now if you click on rotation and rotate from x axis, look, it's looking super cool. So let's try to rotate it. Make one keyframe here and one here somewhere, something like this. So let's see. Okay, so this is looking super cool. So I think this was the tutorial. Nothing too like hard or anything. Super simple tutorial. I think it's only took 10 minutes, but it was super high quality and super well detailed animation. If you use this in right way, like it will going to blow your client's mind, trust me. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, share, and if you love the tutorial, please show response by commenting or share the video with other editors. I don't know why the reach or the subscriber count is so down while even I'm posting this consistently. So yeah, this was the video. If you want tutorial on anything, just let me know in the comments and I will make the video for it. See you soon.